Okay, this is just a quick recording to show how to use Suno to create a song. Once you're logged in with your account, you can just put in the song description. This is going to be for an intense techno song about the potential benefits and possible issues relating to having students using AI music tools to generate music in classes. Click on Create. You can see that it's creating that now and it's adding it to the top of the list and it looks like it's finished. So let's have a look.